my hope is once we have accomplished this 1001 Thagatchari, wherein, we have all the nominations of all this awesome, inspiring people, I would love to compile it as a book, take that book as a role model reference for Manipur, go to school,
Yes.
to different school all over
Yes.
Manipur and show them that, hey, we have such inspiring people.
I think that's a wonderful idea because the sad part is people who are there, the real people, people who have essence, these are people that the media is unable to tap. And the image of Manipur, which is coming across to people, is that of a disturbed place, of people who are hostile, unwelcoming. I think that image needs to change because that image is not appropriate at all. People are so loving, people are so trusting. The hospitality of people in the villages is unimaginable. So I think your book and a glimpse of your interaction with people from varied walks of life will succeed in busting that particular image, Monica. So I wish you all the
Right,
best.
right. No, and I think, yeah, to your point, you're right. The image outside of Manipur also would be improved by us recognizing and talking about people, who are doing such inspiring work and, who inspire us as a person,
Yes,
right? But on the
yes.
other hand, also, I'm a bit concerned about some of the things the youth are seeing, right? Like, for example, the recent mob for Farouk.
Mhm.
And that
Yes.
actually deeply troubled me. And in fact, oh, yeah, I have it over here. This is a painting I have been working on. It's not complete, but I was so deeply pained by the fact that there were so many people who were watching this. And if you look at the video, you would see
Yes.
that many of them are kids, right? Like it really hurts me to think, what are we letting the children watch? What are we teaching the children? So I would like to have that opportunity and also have like more content that, hey, there are a lot of these people doing amazing work, amazing thing, and we can be inspired by that. And I think that's where my passion and my calling and my deep sense of commitment for Thagatchari program works. Like, it's 11 p.m. here and it's so early in the morning and we are making this a conversation and taking our time. So yeah, absolutely.